Well, I hope you guys enjoyed last week's budget truck week, because this week we're going to take a look at some better trucks. So we're officially calling it Better Truck Week.
Or my birthday.
It is, yeah.
All these trucks, well, there's going to be 2 trucks on the channel this week.
Oh, they're both yours.
They're both mine.
Yeah. And ironically, I don't know if I want to give away what the other one is just yet. You guys will find out probably, I'd say probably tomorrow.
I think they've known since end of November what the next truck is.
But it's finally coming.
But they've been patiently waiting.
Yeah. So this is actually your official birthday present. This is. The other one we've had since November. And we've just been waiting for a good time to feature it on the channel. So this is Better Truck Week. All week long we're going to take a look at some better trucks than everything we saw last week. Granted, they're more expensive.
There's a couple good ones last week. But
there were, yeah. I'll keep one of them.
Maybe we should call this Expensive Truck Week.
They are not cheap, but that's because they are premium quality. And today we're taking a look at a brand new vehicle that was actually very recently released right around Abby's birthday, which is why we picked it up.
This is the Losi Tenacity TT Pro. It's a 1/10 scale short course tracker trophy truck. It's 4-wheel drive. And I'm excited because I love a good short course truck.
And you know what? We've been really liking Losi lately. Ever since we caught a couple of their Black Friday sales and we picked up some and featured them on the channel, and a good friend of ours gave us one. That was amazing, by the way.
This time last year, we had our first Losi on the channel, which was a short course truck.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
And when we saw the announcement of this, both styles were like, oh, those are nice. The yellow and black is sweet, but you guys know me, I have the axial Falken G6 Recon. I mean, this is amazing, the Rubicon. I love this. It was, unfortunately, you can't buy it anymore. And then they announced that they had the Falken version of this Losi, and I was like, holy crap, we've got axial and Losi coming together here with a similar paint scheme.
And since Nate already had one Falken edition, I said this is going to be my Falken. So this is yours.
Now Abby and I have we've got all of our crawlers together, especially our axials. The axial crawlers are on a shelf, a long shelf together.
If you followed us on Instagram, you would have seen when I did stories of our axial collection, but I made a highlight video of all that too, so that's pretty cool. Or highlight on Instagram.
What I was going to say with that is that this will probably be the only truck that ends up on that shelf by the crawlers, because it's going to sit by my Falken.
Yeah, probably. Or we just need to get a couple more axials so we can move that
up with this.
Yeah.
This will sit with the short course trucks, right?
We have that nice looking axial shelf
now,
that the Capra filled that last space.
There's a couple things about this truck that I'm ridiculously jealous about that this will be Abby's, because, I mean, first of all, the Falken. I am sad that she's going to get the other Falken.
It's so crazy to,
it looks awesome.
10 scale stuff, like, sometimes it's
actually,
huge.
we've got some short course back here. Stadiums.
This one looks way bigger than those 10 scales. Shoo, it looks awesome. Good though. It's so clean.
It is awesome.
Right,
so what we plan on doing this week on the channel, because it's Better Truck Week, we're going to take this out and do a speed test with it with some amazing fully charged batteries. Then we're going to take it bashing on an actual course and see how it holds up at the course. So, Abby, that is a good looking truck.
Did you get the zip tie cutters?
Of course not.
Well, this one's already cut. We just have one more.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be right back. That is beautiful.
Oh, it's getting so bright. The sun just came out.
Oh, one zip tie keeps you from an amazing truck. This looks good. It's got the Method race wheels.
Boom.
We've got our Spektrum DX2E. I'm a little surprised that it's not the 3, to be fair.
You can put the module in this, can't you, for the dashboard app?
I think so. I think so.
That has the telemetry on your phone.
So can I be the one to tell them about probably one of the things I'm most excited about with this,
sure.
other than the fact that it has the AVC, the active vehicle control, which Losi having that stuff is awesome. And I think we only have one vehicle that has AVC on it, right? We have one vehicle that has AVC.
No, we have some.
I mean that's a short course truck, and it's a Losi.
Yeah.
And it's 2-wheel drive.
Yes.
So this is our first 4-wheel drive Losi with AVC short course truck, which will be really cool. Okay, so...
Is that what you're excited about?
No.
What are you excited about?
The lights on the front.
Yeah, it looks so good.
This has an LED strip installed, which do you ever see, you've never seen a short course truck with an LED strip installed at the front. I mean, you can do night racing with this by stock night racing.
Good. And this arm is sitting. Wonder why. Oh.
Actually, they look pretty close.
I guess so.
I think it's just been a while since we've.
This one looks.
It's a little wider.
The Losi looks wider. But
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's put the wheels up, and then you set the wheels down on that, and see if they line right up. So the wheels are a little bit bigger.
Like a body, so it's wider.
The wheels are a tiny bit taller on this Losi. Also, I mean, you're paying a premium price here for this vehicle. You get a aluminum chassis. I don't know if you saw that.
Nice.
Very nice aluminum chassis. But yeah, ABC paired with.
That was dirty.
Yeah, we've run that one. I cleaned it. Now I got to sweep all that up.
Oh my gosh, it's all over the couch.
I want to see how this light bar is installed on here. Like, is it going to be a pain to have to deal with those wires all the time? Or
I think it's on the body.
We'll find out here.
Yeah, they've cut a hole in the plastic body.
Yeah.
And then it's attached to
you
the
guys
car.
see that? There's a slit cut in the bumper.
Cool. I love that.
Like the grill here on the front.
It's
a good looking body.
It's an IC5 connector. It's supposed to hit 50 miles an hour with a 3S LiPo.
Now this has all that new Spektrum smart gear in it, doesn't it?
Yes.
Very cool.
Yeah, what size motor and everything. I think it says right there. 3150 kV brushless.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Yeah, this is going to be fun. I'm really pumped to power it on and see the light. We're not going to power it on in unboxing. So
I think we're going to have to take this to the track. What do you guys think?
Yeah, speed test, and we're taking it to the track. 100% sure, unless it blows up on the speed test.
And then really expensive truck week comes to a halt very quickly.
The wheels look aluminum. I think they're plastic like all others, but they look aluminum. They've painted it so perfectly. Mm-hmm. This is a beautiful truck. I'm excited about all the new tech installed here.
The spacing of everything, like it looks really roomy.
You know what else? You can pivot and adjust the tilt of that light bar. So if you don't like it how it's aimed up a little too high,
and screwed a little bit, and then adjust it.
Then you can actually use it to see the track in front of you if you're racing at night.
That's cool.
That'd be really cool. Guys, this is just a quick unboxing, a quick first look at this because it's Abby's birthday present.
These are aluminum shocks, Nate.
Of course. Oh, the top of it?
Yeah. Right?
Let's see.
It's cold. It's cold. That's aluminum.
I think so.
I'll have to look at the box.
Yeah, listen. That's aluminum. So we bust the top of our shock tower, or not shock towers, but the caps. We bust
at the track
all the time.
Yeah.
And this is nice to see that that's already included. I mean, they really, and then the shock towers are aluminum too.
Still waiting on the shock cap to come for our other Losi.
They're here.
What?
Yep.
When did they get here?
I put them in the garage by it. We've been busy. We're painting some rooms and stuff.
I didn't even know it got here.
Kind of crazy. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, I think this is probably going to be our best performing stadium truck that we own.
Guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can see us do the first run. It's going to be a speed test with this, and it is going to be beastly.
I can't take my eyes off this. Most of the time I'm like looking up and like talking to everybody, but I find myself, if you go back and watch this video, you're probably going to notice I'm looking down most of the time.
Now this is mine, Nate.
It is yours. Now before you guys go, I want to say a big thanks to all these names scrolling by because our channel wouldn't be possible without all of you, from $1 or more to our Patreon supporters. Thank you so much. Before you leave, if you missed Budget Truck Week, check out this video that's popping up right about now. That's my favorite truck from last week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in that video.
Bye!